The Rain Bird ESP LX IVM 2-wire controller is designed to provide years of highly manageable irrigation control. Available in standard and pro versions, the LX IVM was specifically designed for commercial and larger residential use, with a capacity of up to 240 stations, 40 programs, 8 start times per program, 10 flow sensors, 10 master valves, 8 weather sensors, and 16 simul-stations. The revolutionary Integrated Valve Module technology, or IVM, reduces the number of splices required by up to 50% by eliminating the use of decoders. These IVM devices can be used to control valves and pump stations or to gather data from weather and flow sensors, while providing greater design flexibility and greater distances to be supported. The LX IVM controller has a variety of advanced features to help you manage water efficiently, including flow management, seasonal adjust, and cycle and soak, UL and CE certified, improved 2-wire and controller-based diagnostics to quickly identify and fix faults, and upgradable features via the IQ Central Control communication cartridge. The LX IVM also supports local and 2-wire weather sensor inputs. A large variety of user-configurable irrigation program options will meet the most demanding irrigation needs while still addressing municipal mandates and restrictions. And all of that comes in an outdoor-rated plastic cabinet, which can be upgraded to metal or stainless steel. The LX IVM controller's front panel has been carefully streamlined. 50% fewer dial positions, a large backlit display, 5 soft programming keys, a back button, a program select button versus a program select switch, a new information button for real-time help at the controller, and a language quick change button, which currently supports 6 languages. The IVM SmartValve technology makes two-way communications with the controller possible for the first time. This makes it easy to find possible shorts, as well as run tests on installed 2-wire devices. It also includes a new alarms and history setting, which stores a year's worth of data on all 2-wire devices installed, which can be used for troubleshooting. The LX IVM supports remote programming, operation, and troubleshooting via the optional IQ cartridge. Reduced installation costs and improved reliability with 50% fewer splices. Simplified user interface, pinpoint diagnostics, flexible programs, and best-in-class features. The Rain Bird ESP LX IVM 2-wire system is the answer you've been looking for.